Hello and welcome to Code and Design Talkies. So in today's video, we are going to create animation like this in Flutter. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, first of all, let's create new Flutter project and then name it animated text. You can name it whatever you want. And then let's delete all the stuff that we don't even need. And then in the end, we are only going to have scaffold, app bar and center. So let's now run the app. And then initially this app will look like this. I know nothing is going on there, but be with me. So now let's pass animated default text style as a child of center, and then in the child property of animated default text style, let's create text and then pass animated text, and then in the style property, let's define some text style, create a color of colors.black and then pass milliseconds 500 as the duration. So this will be our animation duration. So this is how long it will take animation to animate. So let's create font weight and let's pass font weight.bold and let's create font size and then let's bump up the size to 40. Now if I change the color to colors.pink, and as you can see here, animation occurred. If I change it to blue, it will change in 500 milliseconds. And at last, if I change it to deep orange, then it will going to animate accordingly. And then let's give animated default text style a curve of curves.elasticOut. So this elasticOut curve will change the way it animates. The animation will occur like this graph, as you can see here. So if I change it to 10, this kind of animation occurs, and if I change it to 50, suddenly it bumps up. This is the beauty of animated default text style. You can change some properties and then that's how the animation will occur. So now let's create a column and then give it some main axis alignment space evenly, and then in the decoration you can give it text decoration.underline or text decoration.overline. So this is all depends upon your situation, how you want your text to be animated. So now at last we are going to do some letter spacing animation. If I pass 4, then it will animate. For 1, it will also animate. And then as you can see, animation occurred with 10 letter spacing. Now let's change it to 1, change font size to 40 and give it some font weight dot normal. And then it will animate accordingly. And then let's create another widget, outline button, and then create text as a child of it, and then pass animate in the text, and let's give it some styling, give it some font size of 18. Now let's create some variable. So let's create font weight of type font weight and give it some font weight of font weight.bold, and then font color of type color, and then give it colors.green, and create font size of type double and give it font size of 20. And then in the on press of outline button, let's give font color to color.deep orange with shade of 700, and then font size to 46, and then font weight to font weight.w400, and then let's call set state. And then now let's pass font color to color, font weight to font weight, and font size to font size property of text style. Now if I press animate, it will going to animate. Now let's create another button which will reverse out this animation and give it font size of 20 and font color colors.blue and font weight to font weight.bold. Now let's change the second button's name to animate 2 and first button names animate 1, and then if I press any of these, animation will occur. And you can change the curve, you can change whatever you want to in this animated default text style, and animation will occur. So this is pretty much it for this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please do subscribe to this channel if you want more videos like this. So thank you for watching this video.